Hello everyone and welcome. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to turn on repost notifications on TikTok. This option allows you to stay updated on all the reposts of your content, which can be very useful for tracking your audience's engagement. The process is simple, and with just a few steps, you'll be able to find out when someone shares your videos. So, let's get started. First, find and open your TikTok app and log into your account. Once you've done that, the next step is to tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. When you're on your profile page, you'll see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on them. Now, in the menu, select the option Settings and Privacy. When you're in the settings, under Content and Display, tap on the Notifications option. After you open the notification settings page, in the Interactions section, look for the Repost option, and then tap the switch next to that option to enable it. After you turn on this option, you will be notified every time someone reposts your content. You have successfully completed the process of turning on repost notifications. And that's all for this video. If you liked this video, don't forget to leave a like, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel, SmartAssistant. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.